DraftKings stock DKNG could benefit from a short squeeze. So this piece is written on Schaefer's Investment Research. Sign up and you'll get updates from them. So they went on to say that sports betting staple DraftKings just broke out of a flat pattern late last week and has found support at the 10% plus year to date and 50% year over year break-even levels, plus with the company moving into the sale of vastly popular non-fungible tokens and newly legalized sports gambling in Canada. DKNG stock is the stock to watch right now in that sector. So a further unwinding of short interest could send the equity higher. The bearish bets fell 4.7% during the last reporting period, but still makes up 4.7% of the stock's available float. There's room for upgrades too. Of the 20 in coverage, 6 consider DKNG stock a tepid hold. Some of the pessimism is being echoed in option pits, where DKNG stock spots a 50-day put call volume ratio that stands in a 78th percentile of its 12-month range. At the International Securities Exchange (CBOE) and Nasdaq OMX PHLX, this implies puts are being picked up at a much quicker clip than usual. What's more, with the upcoming expiration of peak call open interest at 55 strike in August series, this potential level of resistance could be eliminated and leaves more potential upside for the shares. So yes, we can see there is a resistance there at $55 roughly, even though it's slightly here, it broke away from there, but that has been resistance for some time now, since June. So since June it hasn't broken above that price level, so it's been pretty much moving sideways. Yes, so that's what we're looking at right now. And the news out there, yes, I think it's as it concerns the NFT and all that. It says here the Baltimore Ravens tapped DraftKings DKNG to be the official daily fantasy sports partner and an official sports betting and free to play partner of the team. This is the company's 5th active partnership with the team in the NFL. The new deal will feature DraftKings branding and custom content as part of the Baltimore Ravens weekly podcast. The lounge, also DraftKings branding will be displayed throughout M&T Stadium. M&T Bank Stadium. So that's the latest news, I think, there. So for the stock, it appears to be consolidating absolutely within a longer term uptrend. Shares have fallen beneath the 200-day moving average, which is rising along with the 10-day moving average. However, the average directional index is below 20, indicating that shares have exhibited sideways movement recently. It's outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for DKNG stock as measured by 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is waning. This means that investors are less aggressive in their recent purchases and may even be taking profits from positions but at lower prices. Okay, so it is waning now, so they are not as aggressive as they used to be. So the unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So buyers are still presently more active than sellers, but they're not as aggressive. So volatility is not very high. So yes, it seems from what they're saying that we might get a push from that 55 call series. Where did they write it again? Yes, I think they are looking at that. Okay, says what's more, with the upcoming expiration of peak call open interest at 55 strike in the August series, this potential level of resistance will be eliminated and leaves more potential upside for the shares. So yes, fingers crossed. It's been moving sideways for some time. Possibly there's a good chance it might look up. Currently now, it's moving sideways and has allowed careful market participants to get involved with the stock. So but the machines and indeed the humans are all observing and seeing. Maybe that 55 strike has been holding it back, you know, amongst other things, because it's, you know, it has the peak there. It may be a lot of market makers have been piling money on that position or whatever it is. But yeah, it's been some resistance. Maybe if it goes away, they may put I mean, the open interest may peak on some other series, some other strike, and it might you know, become a push for the stock. But you know, you never know. So well, but all in all, the underlying trend for the stock is a bullish one. You know, even though, yes, the underlying trend, even though we saw this bearishness that ensued sometime from March, but it reached this low 52 week. Okay, it was not a 52-week low, but a low at on the 13th of May. But since that time, it's looked up. But you know, I think all in all, has been moving sideways. There are more interesting things out there. I think that's why the market participants have just ignored DraftKings at the moment. So see what you make of it, and thank you very much for watching this video.